zero of our 2-lane traffic. So you guys just take a little extra caution to stay inside.
This statue was a gift from
So I will tell you guys, this little shopping mall, 4 stories tall, has a 4-story IMAX theater back here. And this little lagoon we're going to drive through right here is designed to be seen from the front doors of all the shops that line the center of the mall. So as you guys walk around and shop, you can just watch us drive in a circle all day. Differentiates it from pretty much every mall in the world, and even fewer malls with lagoons let people drive most through it. So we like to take advantage of that. But these 2 restaurants here to the left, these are the ones I wanted to show you that have those musical performers. You got Margaritaville and Chili's. And when Chili's hires them, they'll put them right on the corner of this fence right here. So you can hear them from anywhere in this lagoon back here. You reach up and grab their leg if you like. So a lot of real famous people actually perform back here in this little lagoon. Do a little U-turn around our little island in the back here. And it is going to be where you find the other half of the shops or the other restaurants here that they're calling themselves. Obviously, most of the shopping. So if you can't find a restaurant over at River Square, spend maybe 10 minutes walking around here, you'll find a restaurant in your area. And I do want to make a very real warning, real quick. You guys on the right-hand side of my boat, all y'all sitting in these chairs, what's going to happen is on our way out of here, if another boat's coming in or that boat moves forward to dock, I got to get real close to this wall to the right-hand side, okay? What's about to happen, as I get close to that wall and we leave that little extension down there, I'm going to drive through a bush. That bush is going to swing down the right-hand side of my boat. It's going to slap each one in the head. When that boat's sitting right where it's at, I've got to drive through that bush, okay? Just try to be fair. I want to give you a chance to slap that bush before it slaps you, right? I would say find a little balance, too, because if you slap it too hard, the person 2 chairs behind you is going to get it twice as bad. Okay? So show a little restraint, too. Had a guy come through here last time that used his baby to walk in. He's having fun with it. But here's that push right here, guys. That boat being right where it's at means I'm going to have to drive to this push, okay? It's no real danger. There's no, it's not poisonous unless there's a spider on it anyway. Yeah, it's just a little tickly. The city cuts that thing like once every 2 weeks. It just grows so fast. Just got to drive through it, man. But it is kind of neat little thing for a rental store right there. So you guys get these quick stations here. But again, I will tell you more about the Tower of the Americas here in just a minute. But the whole reason we came back here was because of the World's Fair. So if you take a look off to our left, if you keep your eye between those 2 trees right there, you'll see the Tower of the Americas. One more good time. Really cool picture between those 2 trees right there. But I will get back to that because first, I want to show you guys here to the right-hand side. Give you a chance to say hello and goodbye to Mr. San Antonio right here. Big old bronze statue in between those 3 palm trees. You guys say hello and goodbye to Mr. San Antonio, old little baby Jesus right there. I know, I drive by that statue all day. I'm very well aware that's not how you're supposed to hold a baby. Okay? Now we can do about it now. 49-year-old bronze statue, been standing there a while. So the reason we do have a statue of San Antonio de Padua, ever so precariously, holding our baby Jesus. He's known as the patron saint of lost children and artifacts. So they say if you've ever lost anyone or anything, you offer San Antonio a lily at his feet, whisper in his ear, I'll help you find anyone or anything you've ever lost. That statue right there was given to us by the nation of Portugal. It was during the World's Fair. So to go along with the theme, again to show the unity of our cultures, they gave us that statue, kept one in their capital city just like it. Alright, but now, let's tell you more about this tower here behind us. The Tower of the Americas right there. That is actually a freestanding observation deck. 622-foot tall freestanding tower. At the time it was built, that was the tallest freestanding observation deck in the entire United States. Stayed that way for the better part of 2 decades or so, but we all know Las Vegas, right? They're going to be bigger and fancier than everybody else. So 1990s rolls around, they built the Stratosphere, leaving ours only the 2nd tallest now. Right? But still pretty impressive, right? 750-ton top house on top of that. It's got observation decks at the top with a restaurant right beneath that. The restaurant spins around once every hour. 3 3 glass elevators running out the outside of that tower right there to get you all the way to the top. For those of you that might not like glass elevators, maybe you're scared of heights, right? Up the center of that tower, they were kind enough to provide you with 952 steps you can use to get up there. Yep. 48 short of 1,000, that's a lot of steps, right? And I don't know anyone that's ever climbed that tower, but just recently, right? So on the anniversary of 9/11, all of our local firefighters get fully geared up, put air tanks on their back, carry fire hoses all the way up, and then back down that tower. Yeah, that's pretty impressive right there. Alright, but the last thing I'm going to show you guys to do with the World's Fair, here to our left, I'm going to show you all the Hilton Palacio del Rio right here. It's actually that hotel we started off across from. What I want you to do is take a look at the rooms on top of that hotel. Maybe you notice they look like a bunch of cubes stacked on top of one another. That building right there is in the Guinness Book of World Records for that reason. So the Hilton right there, it was constructed using what's known as a modular design. The reason that they use that modular design is because they were actually given a 205 working day deadline to complete that whole hotel. The reason being is because the city knew it wanted a hotel right there just to host people for the World's Fair. Well, the problem is they were so busy with everything else that they couldn't get around to issuing the contract. Well, the deadline was in the contract for whoever accepted it, and they guarantee it would be open and ready. So 205 working days, right? But anybody that's ever had a family house built, you know, that's hardly enough time to build a house, let alone a hotel of that size. Nobody thought it could be done. Well, along comes an architect by the name of